In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and the first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, hit the menu icon and select settings. On settings, stop at account. And then scroll down until you find delete account. That will prompt you to deactivate your account instead of delete, because deactivating your account is temporary. Your profile photos, comments, and likes will be hidden until you enable it by logging back in. Otherwise, deleting your account is permanent. Your profile photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently deleted. So right here, you need to select whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. I'm just gonna tap at delete account cause I want to delete it permanently. And then it says that you can stop the deletion process by logging back in within 30 days. Then I'm just gonna hit that continue deleting account. Then it will ask you, why do you want to delete that profile? You can select any random option from that list, and then you have to re-enter your Instagram password. Stop at that field and then just type in a password. After that, you will be able to hit a delete button. And if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted in 30 days. You wouldn't be visible on Instagram between now and then. If you change your mind, you can log back in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. That's how it's done now. You can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.